I'm just going to be here in standard Salesforce. You can already see that we have the files tab, and the way files works is simple. Once enabled, so content, so it goes back from library, say security metrics, digital velocity. So what you can do is you can then decide to upload a new version. So this is like at the iCloud, the same architecture as the iCloud, or share with certain people, or share with a group. Say we have a revenue group, a global revenue team, Ultrametric, or share via a link where you do send an email to somebody and it gives them access. Let's make this totally private, meaning only I can see this. Nobody else. Anyone with a link, share with people, certain people, like I could share with Ryan. Ryan Talbot. Yes. Hey, this is the new Daimler proposal. So it does have some spell check. Share. And viewer, collaborator, or group. We can say, what kind of a group? Daimler chatter group. We can put it right into a chatter. And that's the way you'd handle files. It's much better than the legacy shared with me what you're following. Chatter groups, private library, asset library. See, private library is just for you. So for instance, here, I can upload anything. Lightning Experience Readiness Report. Oh, I already uploaded that. Contacts PenCal. That's a pension fund. And these are contacts. Wow, big file. Well, let's see. That's how you handle that. See, and that's in my uploaded to my and owned only by me. I'm going to just cancel this. Or an asset library, meaning like media assets, presentation assets. And that's a different kind of things, files in my libraries, an asset library. And that's how you handle this. The next way we deal with, we can have a private chatter group. So for instance, I'll start a new chatter group. Groups. I'll start a new group. See, and here we can have public, private, allow customers, if you want to do that, broadcast only. So Raj's revenue chatter group, global revenue. That's better. Revenue chatter group. Forecasting, proposals, upcoming events. Right. Don't archive. I'm going to say don't archive. Make this private, right? Only members can see this. Membership require approval. And you do that. Boom. Now, I can add a member. We can post. We can file. We can do a link. And here, look at how this goes. Here, if you do a link, it's different than select from Salesforce, upload from your computer. So there's two ways to deal with it. Files, the permissions around around content, meaning presentation, whatever, or in a chatter group where you have content, meaning like media assets or other assets. Why is it content? Because it could be a video, it could be a PowerPoint, could be an Excel spreadsheet. It's whatever's into the content payload with tagging. The advantage of files is everything is searchable in files, versus in libraries, it's only the tags, the top and the bottom. So files totally separates out all attachments into a separate searchable database, even when you email them as an attachment moving forward once it's enabled. And that is how the company can share information in the chatter group or in files. But files permissions overrides permissions of the chatter group. So if this is totally private, for instance, right, others will only see that there's a document, but they won't be able to view it until you open it up. Chatter group permissions doesn't override files permission. So if you say private only to me, it exists, but that's it. It works really well.